Everyone, welcome back to Guidezen, and today we learn how you can add torch icon on your mobile lock screen. Here you can see on the right bottom corner I have successfully added lock torch icon, and here I can just swiping up easily turn on torch from my lock screen. It's very simple. I will show you some simple steps. Just following that you can easily add torch icon on your mobile lock screen. What you need to do, you just need to do first of all subscribe to our channel and hit the like icon if this short video is helpful. You need to just open your mobile settings, and here you need to choose go a little down and choose lock screen feature. Once you come on lock screen, here you need to click on first option where you can see lock screen is written. Just click on add it. How you can add it? Just touch and hold to add it. Okay. Here I want to replace the camera icon, and I want to add torch icon on lock screen. And as once it's opened, and here you can see I want to here on your mobile screen the camera icon will be shown on the right bottom corner, but you want to add torch icon. Just click on the camera icon or from the right bottom corner, and here you need to choose torch icon. Once you choose torch, then you can just need to click on the top right icon. Done. Once you do these simple steps, you can successfully add torch icon, and you can successfully enable torch from your mobile lock screen. It's very simple guys, and I hope so the short video is helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye.